Hello guys, and this is the video for the RedOne Part 1, the first RedOne launch of Helium balloon launch, and the one that we're launching today is the black one. Just so you know, we have the blue one is the RedOne 2, which we're gonna be launching maybe tomorrow, and then the green one is Saga DE. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut it, and then we'll see it fly. Okay, here we go. Okay, T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it goes. We have flight. Oh, wait. 2, 1. Oh, there it goes. We have flight. Oh, wait. I'll get the camera. We have flight. Just so you know, guys, we have looked at the radar and there are no planes up in the sky right now. There it goes. So that's going to come down shortly. Look at it go. Okay. Here, let's see if I can get a good view of it. Okay, there it is. I'll get it. So it's still going. Okay. Stop the GoPro recording. Okay, it goes. Okay. So it looks like we had a good successful launch. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, we'll see you next time. We'll share an update later. Thank you guys for watching.